Hello, my name is Annissa Roberts. I work at the Lithonia-Davidson Library and I do adult programming. So today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of a 7-layer salad. This is a Black History demonstration, but I know we're coming off the holidays and nobody wanted to eat anything of any substances of just high calories. So I decided to do something a little low-cal but still healthy and still something easy to put together. So the first thing I'm going to do is the dressing. Now the dressing, the dressing is going to have 10 ounces of Parmesan cheese. And the only reason why I'm doing the dressing first is because how I choose to want to layer the salad. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I know that sounds a little crazy for a dressing, but just work with me. Black pepper. Of course, my recipe or the recipe does not call for black pepper, but I put black pepper in everything. So I just did a fourth teaspoon of black pepper. And I did 1 1/4 cup of Miracle Whip. I've always stated in my videos that I am not fond of mayonnaise. So I am a Miracle Whip person. And those that don't like Miracle Whip, I am so sorry about y'all. But here in this household, we just don't do mayonnaise. So, of course, as y'all see, I am juggling. And I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm going to whisk this together. Now, this takes a minute. That's why I'm doing this first. Because the layering of the 7-layer salad, I crack myself up every time. It takes a minute to actually mold in the dressing. Believe it or not, the dressing really bakes the salad. But as I said before in my videos, we are cheese lovers. So when they called for 10 ounces of Parmesan cheese, I was like, oh yeah, this is going to be a good salad. Okay, so that's a quick mix for that. Now, I'm actually just going to slide this to the side. Like I always say, cooking always call for juggling, and you see what I'm doing right now is juggling. So I'm going to slide this to the side. We will come back to that very shortly. Now, to start layering the 7-layer salad, 1 head of iceberg lettuce that's already chopped up. And depending on your household, you don't have to use a whole head. You can use a half a head of iceberg lettuce. And based on how this is in my family, I'm just going to stop right here. I'm going to add just a little bit more. But I don't, based on our household, well, you know what? How about this? Just gonna go ahead and layer it out. I'm just gonna smash it down a bit. All right, slide that. Next is a whole head of red onions. And I know I said a whole head, but we speak like that in our household. So I'm just gonna spread the red onions all around. My mother is not no fond of no kind of onions, so she will be picking this salad apart. But she does what she does. Next is snow peas, and I just got a little 8-ounce bag of snow peas. Sweet peas, but they're snow peas, all the same. And layer. But you want them to be a little, you don't want them to be totally unthawed. You want them to have a little crunch. And I'm just going to go ahead and dispose of the whole bag. So that's that. And then this recipe called for cauliflower. Of course, we don't do cauliflower. We do boiled eggs. So 5 boiled eggs. And you can see the layers are coming together. The layers are coming together very nicely. Okay, so I'm just kind of shaking it around just to make sure everything is the way I want it to be. Then next, I am going to add shredded cheese, and this is medium cheddar, and you can kind of do how you like, but I'm going to do it in 2 different levels. I'm going to sprinkle some. You can dress your salad how you wish to, but this is how we like our 7-layer salad. And this is typically just a 2-ounce bag, or I'm sorry, well, 2 cups, but you can add more cheese if you choose to. Now, I'm going to go back to the dressing. And the reason why I'm doing the dressing the way I'm doing is because I don't want the bacon to be soggy where you can't appreciate the salad. So I'm going to layer in the dressing. And I know if y'all keeping count, this is pretty much the 6th step, if y'all keeping up. Now you can layer your dressing how you wish to. We just like ours a certain way. Now I'm going to come back. Now I got all that Parmesan cheese and Miracle Whip and black pepper. Of course, like I said, we don't waste nothing in this household. So here I go. I am definitely getting ready to get all the little sides. And since this is Super Bowl weekend, this is a good snack to add into your Super Bowl menu. Now I'm going to go back to the shredded cheese. But like I said, there is no rhythm or rhyme on how you wish to do your 7-layer salad. This is just how we like ours. So we're going to add more cheese. Well, just go ahead. We're just going to empty the whole bag. And then top off with a pound of bacon. And yes, I said a pound of bacon. That's crumbled up. And the reason why we do it this way is because we don't want the bacon to be soggy in the midst of the dressing. And plus it gives it a nice topping. And yes, I did say again, a pound of bacon. So if y'all calorie counting, you don't calorie count on Super Bowl weekend. Everything goes for Super Bowl weekend. All right. So you want to let this chill for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. And at that point, you are ready to serve. So here is the look of the 7-layered salad and the topping of the bacon. Everyone have a safe weekend and enjoy. See y'all next time.